Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Temu account. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to head over to temu.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you have already created an account. Now you cannot delete your account without signing in, so make sure that you do that first. Now once you're on your dashboard or your home page, you're just going to look over to the top until you can see your profile right here. What you're going to do is you're just going to hover your mouse over your profile, and then you're going to click on your name. Now, once you click on your name, it will take you to this page. What you're going to do next is you're going to head over to the left side panel until you see this account security tab. So you're going to have to click on that, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this delete your Temu account. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on that, and then from here you're going to click on this I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then you're going to click on continue. Now once you click on continue, you're just going to click for the reason of deletion. So just choose one from here. Like for example, I don't want to provide a reason. You can just click on continue and your account will be deleted. And that's it. That is how you can delete your Temu account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions or issues that you want to ask, you can just drop them in the comments below.